Alright guys, it looks like you're getting two videos in one today. Well, I've been messing around with this wiring a little bit, and as you can see I've got a lot more of it cut and labeled and figured out where a lot more of it goes. And I figured I'd unwrap some of these little connections here and show you guys what's up under them. You guys give me your best shot. What do you think it's going to look like up under them? Let's all participate. Give me a comment down below and tell me what you think it's going to look like. What you think it's going to be up under? Is it going to be green, or is it going to be a dirty mess, or is it just going to be two wires twisted together and all kinds of dirty? What do you guys think it's going to be? All right, guys, let's dive in and see what it's going to be. Test subject number one. And I'm not going to cut these wires yet. But I'm going to unravel them and show you guys what's up under them. Because I'm not going to cut them until I get ready to splice them back together. And I don't have my soldering iron out here right now. But I will get you a couple of videos of me soldering. I mean, there's thousands of videos of learning how to solder on here. Not that it really needs a shout out from me, but Eric the Car Guy has a couple of good soldering videos. I think Chris Fix has a couple of good soldering videos. I mean, they're all over YouTube, but I'll still show you a few of the ways that I do it and how it looks when I'm done. You know, just everybody's different, so it doesn't hurt to show. Let's unravel number one here.